Think chameleons only change colors to hide. Think again. These creatures are full of surprising secrets, from their superpowers to their quirky habits. Here are 50 mind-blowing facts about chameleons that will leave you amazed. 50 little-known facts about chameleons. 1. Chameleons don't just change colors for camouflage, they also do it to communicate their mood and regulate body temperature. 2. They have independent eyes, which means each eye can look in a completely different direction at the same time. 3. A chameleon's tongue can extend up to twice the length of its body in the blink of an eye, about 0.07 seconds. 4. Chameleons have unique feet, 2 toes face forward, and 2 face backward, giving them a vice-like grip for climbing. 5. They don't drink water from lakes or rivers. 5. Instead, they lick dew or raindrops off leaves. 6. Chameleons have an exceptional field of vision, seeing 360 degrees without moving their heads. 7. Contrary to popular belief, they are not deaf. They sense vibrations and low-frequency sounds. 8. There are over 200 species of chameleons found mainly in Africa and Madagascar. 9. Some chameleons, like the Brookesia micra, are as tiny as a matchstick and among the smallest reptiles on Earth. 10. Chameleons have sticky, elastic tongues that they use like a slingshot to catch prey. 11. Their eyes have the sharpest vision of any reptiles, detecting even the smallest insects. 12. Despite their slow movement, they are excellent at ambushing prey. 13. Chameleons can see in ultraviolet light, which helps them hunt and communicate. 14. They are mostly arboreal, meaning they live in trees. 15. Female chameleons can lay anywhere between 5 to 100 eggs depending on the species. 16. Some chameleons give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. 17. When threatened, they sometimes hiss and puff up their bodies to appear larger and scarier. 18. Chameleons do not chew their food, they swallow it whole. 19. Their skin contains specialized layers of cells that control color change. 20. Chameleons are cold-blooded, so they rely on their environment to regulate body heat. 21. Many species are capable of camouflaging with incredible precision to match their surroundings. 22. Chameleons can live up to 10 years in captivity, though lifespan varies in the wild. 23. Unlike other lizards, they can't regenerate their tails. 24. Baby chameleons are independent from birth and don't need parental care. 25. The panther chameleon is one of the most colorful species, displaying vivid reds, blues, and greens. 26. Chameleons are solitary creatures and prefer to be alone except during mating. 27. They have a third eyelid, called a nictitating membrane, that protects their eyes. 28. Most chameleons can't survive in temperatures below 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, for long. 29. They rely heavily on their colorful displays to communicate dominance and emotions. 30. Chameleons can consume insects, worms, and sometimes small birds or lizards. 31. Some chameleons have tails that are prehensile, used like an extra limb to grasp branches. 32. Chameleons are excellent climbers but are surprisingly poor swimmers. 33. Many species are critically endangered due to habitat destruction and illegal pet trade. 34. The veiled chameleon has a helmet-like ridge on its head, which helps collect water. 35. Chameleons are insectivores, but larger species occasionally eat small vertebrates. 36. A chameleon's tongue has a sticky tip to capture prey instantly. 37. Males often have horn-like projections or crests on their heads for competing with rivals. 38. Chameleons can recognize different shades of color better than humans. 39. Some chameleons, like the Jackson's chameleon, have 3 horn-like structures on their face. 40. Stress can impact a chameleon's color, often turning it dark or dull. 41. Chameleons are slow-moving, but their tongue strike is among the fastest movements in the animal kingdom. 42. Certain species of chameleons can mimic the colors of flowers and moss. 43. When basking in the sun, they turn a lighter color to reflect heat and stay cool. 44. During mating, males often change to brighter colors to attract females. 45. Chameleons' tail muscles are so strong they can hang upside down for extended periods. 46. Chameleons have no external ears but detect vibrations. 47. They can go without food for days or even weeks by conserving energy. 48. Some chameleons thrive in deserts, while others prefer humid rainforests. 49. Baby chameleons hatch with all their survival skills already intact. 50. The name chameleon comes from the Greek words for ground lion. Chameleons are living wonders of nature, with skills and quirks that make them truly fascinating. From their eye-popping vision to their color-changing superpowers, these reptiles are one of Earth's coolest creatures. If you enjoyed learning these facts, be sure to subscribe for more amazing animal insights.